Vancouver, Canada, with a very quick learn out loud video here, spawned actually because of a quick conversation today where someone was not quite clear as to what conversational marketing was all about and how messaging could benefit their business. So I just explained the power of shareable, clickable links and different ways to engage your ideal people into learning more about you, your products and services, and how the messaging can not only take place on different messaging platforms, Messenger included, but actually in a couple of cases utilizing specific platforms, you can create landing pages that have the conversational elements in. And so this very quick video is going to illustrate that. Now I'm on one of my test sites, The Real Mark Huber on Facebook, and I've changed the Facebook call to action button to learn more. The learn more button and the contact us button are really the only two buttons that I use because they allow these type of conversations to take place and open up in real time. Additionally, these type of conversations can also be started by QR codes, which can be printed, put on your business vehicle, put in your storefront, on your business stationery, a great way to open engagement as well. So I will just show you what I mean by testing the button here. So when a person goes to my The Real Mark Huber and taps Learn More, this is exactly what opens up. Now watch the engagement element here. I see you're interested in discovering a better way to engage and convert your leads. Introducing myself as Mark Huber, where we help entrepreneurs, busy people, perhaps like you, generate more qualified leads. This is the now reality. It gives you immediate power and in a frictionless environment that your ideal prospects and clients love. The beauty of this is that you can create even more engaging flows utilizing GIFs and imagery, and you can offer incentives to carry on in the conversation by giving opportunities to pick up lead magnets, downloadable reports, offering up videos. In this case, I have a video, and the call to action is, do you want to see it? Yes, no, or tell me more. So let's tap yes. And so the flow continues. Now again, this is all in real time, and I'm able to get all the information that I will be asking for in real time in my back office. So the industry, for example, let's say legal, okay, and the chat interface continues. We'd like to get to know you better. What's your first name? See how engaging and simple this is? Now again, any good lead generation worth their salt will be asking for an email address, which this does. And now I've got the email address that will be building up my email list, which I can continue marketing to. Now, as I have people on this engagement, I will also be building up this messaging list where I can broadcast just as I and you perhaps do with your email list. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video, and again, at the end of it, it just auto directs to the video that I've offered up as part of the conversation. I hope you've enjoyed this quick video. I'm always up to chat about conversational marketing and how it can be quickly inserted into your existing marketing stack. I'll leave a link somewhere below here for my calendar, and I'm always up to chat about this exciting medium and the platform of messaging. And this is where your ideal clients are on. So give them the opportunity, and you'll find it. It's very exciting because it quickly builds up your assets as well as your bank account. And at the end of the day, isn't that what good marketing is all about? So until the next video, Mark Huber from Vancouver, over and out. Wishing you all the very best of continued success. Goodbye for now.